Welcome to drunkrving.com, where I report live on location to you while drunk. And today I got drunk at the KOA in Sugarloaf because they're one of two places that get you drunk at the KOAs.
In the country.
So in the country, right? So like, you gotta go to Key West.
Do you think getting drunk is your First Amendment right, Second Amendment right, Third Amendment right?
It's the ultimate amendment right. It is the right. It's not, it doesn't even get a number. It precedes all numbers. Well, we made it. We are at the KOA in Sugarloaf Key. And if you haven't been here before, this is our first time. The whole campground here is just asphalt and beautifully remodeled. They had the hurricane a few years ago and it completely leveled this place. And they've had to completely rebuild it, I guess, from scratch. But check it out. You can see that we're all set up here. You can see our site here. Let's go take a look. We've got a fire pit, picnic table. It's really nicely etched out here. It's got these, you know, rocks borderlining it here. Come around the other side. And we have our full utilities right there. So we have power, 50 amp and 30 amp. And we have water, and we actually have two sewer dumps in case we, you know, depending on where our sewer station is, there's one towards the back and one towards the front, which I've never had that before, but that's kind of cool. And where we are located, we are right across from the, let's see, that's where the shower, the laundry facility, bathrooms, all that. And in a little bit, I'll take you through there too. Where we're on the water here, the bridge that separates the Atlantic from the Gulf is right there. So you can literally be on one or the other in a matter of minutes. So here's the laundry room. It's open 24 hours a day. Let's go inside, check it out. And there they are. I think it's only like a couple of bucks. Yeah, right here. It's $2.25, $2.25. That's pretty sweet. Let's go check out the bathroom. There's nobody in there. Right here. Let's look and see. There was a dude in there, so I didn't want to embarrass him by walking through and stuff, but he couldn't see what we were doing. It's super hot, so we're gonna head down to the pool, and you know what, we'll take you guys along with us. They've actually like rebuilt it, replanted it, redone everything in this park. So they have like a place, like a bar, like I think it's one of two KOA bars.
Yeah, in the whole country.
Yeah, is here. So you can actually get like cocktails and stuff, which I will be doing. Anyway, over here you've got Camp K9, which is kind of cool. Here, let's go a little closer. You got like all these little toys and stuff you can play with your dog. Don't see like a Camp Kitty, so that's kind of messed up. If you look inside the bar here, you'll see that they have an old restored Airstream that survived, well, partially survived the hurricane. They dug it out of the sand, but it's what was left. We'll spin around here so you can get the 360. Don't puke. We find ourselves getting cocktails and chicken wings. So, well, they're empty now. Sorry we didn't like take you with us while we ate them.
They're
So we
good,
were like,
they're just crispy. They have a little seasoning on them, and they're really good if you like traditional wings. It's probably the only thing on the menu that I would say is not mediocre. It's better than bad. It's good.
Really like those wings.
It's
You
better
tell?
than bad. It's
You
good.
tell? That's like the best pitch or sale for poolside wings I think I've ever heard. I was going to show you the pool and the hot tub and the bunghole and all the other games that people play, but I got too drunk. So there's that.
I would not allow him to walk around in public in this condition. It's my fault.
It's totally her fault. I'm cool. One interesting thing though that I have to point out, and I don't know if you'll even be able to see it, is the surveillance blimp that has been flying over every single day. And when we talked to somebody that was around from here, they said what that is it's like a Haitian surveillance blimp or something for people trying to come over trying to come over the border. Check this out. Do you see it? It's right there. Right there. So check out some of these pads here. So they have some, like, I guess, upgraded VIP sites
They're
you
called
can get.
patio.
Okay.
Yeah.
But check it out. They got like furniture and an actual table and stuff.
Fire ring.
Sorry, I don't know if you can hear that. In fact, I'm sure you can. The wind is insane here. So there are sites here like these ones that are right up on their little private makeshift beach.
Right there,
You can see the water right through there. But right up here is the trail. There's like 3 trails for public access to get down to the beach. So it's not like they're on private beach, but like, you see this little trail right here? These lights come on at night. It's really kind of cool. But now we can go out to the beach. What do you think?
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
I wouldn't call this a true beach because you have a rocky approach into the water, but that is literally the only point against it.
Yeah, and this sand, look at the sand here. I mean, this is like, yeah, look at that. It just goes away. It's not like the real granule sand that we have on the Oregon coast.
I know it's soft,
It's
like
soft
sugar.
and mushy.
Yeah.
Kind of feels good.
For those of you that bake, it's like the consistency of brown sugar and the color of white sugar. It's really beautiful.
All right, so that was the beach. There's a marina, and they rent boats, like pontoon boats and kayaks, and what else they got over here?
Let's go check it out.
They got like these little bicycle things. Here, check them out. They look like that. So I guess, I don't know if they have, I don't think they have motors in them. Oh no, they're pedals. Yeah, they're pedal power. So you can just, oh, and they're side by sides too. Oh, that's kind of fun. All right, so here's the marina. You can see like it's a really nice dock. Like check it out. It's a really nice dock. And then here's where all the boats moor. And I don't know, maybe you can pay to moor your own boat here because they have more slots here than they do boats for rent. So there's that. But check it out here. So you can rent like these pontoon boats for like, I don't know, 400 bucks a day or something. The marina here, you can gas up. There's gas pump right there. It's like a cleaning station over there. And then there's the store here that sells clothes and fishing gear and soda and beer and all that kind of stuff. It's just stuff, live bait, live shrimp in there for like $6 a dozen. And then there's that guy, the pirate guy. He actually survived the hurricane here a few years ago. So he is earned his place, I guess.
He's like
on point there.
Yeah, he's the Marina mascot.
Yeah, he's there for luck, I guess. Pirate luck.
For those of you planning a family vacation and you like using KOA because they have a combination of RV sites as well as cabins, this location is going to provide you something really unique, pretty incredible for the area. They're currently working on the second vacation villa building, which will look more like a traditional, almost like an apartment complex. So a bit more than a motel. They're beautiful buildings. I think they're going to bring a lot of added value to this location for family gatherings. So if you're looking for something to plan ahead, be watching for them to open up their vacation villa buildings.
All right, well, I just got back from fishing out there, and the weather was, how do you say, awful. It was super windy and super turbulent, and slammed into a dock pylon or two, but I did catch some fish, so check these out. Fish on. Like I caught my first little snapper. Okay. I see ya. It's all good, buddy. It's all good in the hood. Alright guys, so that's my first mangrove snapper. Mangrove. Alright, one in the boat. Fish on. Looks like a barracuda. Yeah, I think that's what that is. Down. Look at the teeth on that thing. Holy moly, that thing's got some teeth. Look at that guy. Look at the teeth on that thing. Alright, fishy.
It's time to leave the Sugarloaf KOA. We had a great time, and we really hope that you enjoyed this adventure with us. If you like this video, make sure that you give us a